ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। यस्यैव स्फुरणं सदात्मकमसत्कल्पार्थकं भासते साक्षात् तत्त्वमसीति वेदवचसा यो बोधयत्याश्रितान्। यत्साक्षात्करणाद् भवेन्न पुनरावृत्तिर्भवाम्भोनिधौ। तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये। सेकंड वार्तिका। असत्कल्पेषु भावेषु जडेषु क्षणनाशिषु अस्तित्वं च प्रकाशत्वं नित्यात् संक्रामतीश्वरात्। नित्यात् ईश्वरात् अस्तित्वं प्रकाशत्वं असत्कल्पेषु जडेषु क्षणनाशिषु भावेषु संक्रामति। In other words, from Satya Paramatma, the Satta and Sphuratta are as though transferred to Asat Padartha. In Tika we are seeing only the last sentence now of this. Atra Sankramana Shabdaha. So the Sankramana Shabda here is for what? Sankramana Shabdaha Visheshakara Avabhasa Abhiprayaha. Sankramanam here is Vishesha Akara Avabhasa. This is the Abhipraya. This is the intention. How? Na pravesh abhipraya. It is not that there is something in which Paramatma Satta Sphuratta is entering. Why? Because there is no other Padartha. So there is no pravesha. Paramatma alone is appearing as Anatma. That appearance is as though giving Satta and Sphuranam. नहीं रजते समारोपिते शुक्ति सत्ता संक्रामति. The satta of shukti, the existence of the shukti, the shell, is not doing aropanam in rajatam. So it is actually not moving in silver. Why? Because there is no rajata. समारोपितस्य अधिष्ठान व्यतिरेकेण स्वरूप भावात्. Rajata does not have any reality, any existence itself, swarupa bhava. And therefore, samaropitasya adhisthana vyatirekana, other than the adhisthana, the shuktika, Rajata is not there. So, it's not that Satta and Sphuratta of Shukti are entering into Rajat. Shuktika appearing as Rajat is called giving Satta and Sphuranam. Brahma appearing as Jagat is called giving Satta and Sphuranam to Jagat. And instead of Brahma, you can more clearly understand that I, the Atma, how I give my Satta and Sphuranam to my Swapna Prapancha. I, the Jagrat Pramata, gives satta and sphuranam to swapna prapancha. In the same way, I, the Atma, I am giving satta and sphuranam to this Jagrat prapancha. And then unfortunately I identify with only one aspect of this whole Brahmanda, and I start thinking this is who I am. Tadvad idam api iti bhavaha. In the same way, this Jagat also is like that. Bhavana mithyatvam uktam spashtayati. That the padarthas are mithya, that is made more clear now. Atmasattaiva sattaisham bhavana natatodhika tathaiva sfuranam chaisham natmasfuranatodhikam atmasattaiva sattaisham tathaiva sfuranam chaisham natmasfuranatodhikam. Atmasatta eva esham bhavanam satta. Atmasatta alone is the satta of all these bhavas, padarthas. Na tatodhika. Adhika means anya. Other than that, there is no other satta. In the same way, sphuranam also. Tathaiva cha esham sphuranam na atma sphuranatodhikam. Very saral vartika. Their satta is not different from atma satta. Their sphuranam is not different from atma sphuranam. Yadi darpanadivat पृथक सत्सु भावेषु प्रतिबिंबः संक्रामो वा आत्मसत्ता स्फुरणयोः स्यात् तदा मुख वियुक्त दर्पणवत् शीतल अयः पिंडवद् वा भावाः पृथग अवभासेरन् नावभासन्ते. If, यदि means if, दर्पणादिवत् like the mirror etc. पृथक सत्सु भावेषु प्रतिबिंबः संक्रामो वा. If there was a real entity called mirror, like in case of bimba entering in mirror and becoming pratibimba, you have a real entity called mirror. Then bimba is another different entity separate from mirror. Then that bimba enters into pratibimba. पृथक सत्सु भावेषु प्रतिबिंबः संक्रामः. प्रतिबिंबः और संक्राम, संक्रमणम is like the fire entering into iron ball and pervading that iron ball. Atmasatna sphuranayos syat, sphuranayos syat. So, if they had pruthak satta and pruthak sphuranam, then atma, then mukha viyukta darpanavat tada. If there is yadi, ideal prayoga would have been tarhi. Yadi darpanadivat tarhi मुखवियुक्त दर्पणवत्. मुखवियुक्त दर्पण, a mirror without the reflection in it, separate darpana would exist. Or शीतल अयः पिंडवत्. If fire, when it has not entered into the iron ball, then what is there? There is a separate entity called cold, dark iron ball. शीतल अयः पिंडवद् वा भावाः पृथक अवभासेरन्. भावाः पदार्थाः पृथक अवभासेरन्. Separately they would exist. न अवभासन्ते, but they don't exist. So, in the Drishtanta, you have real Darpana, different from Bimba. You have real iron ball, different from fire. But here, we have unreal Rajat. Means it is not there. Shukti alone is appearing as Rajat also and then entering also. This is the greatness of this example or Rajju Sarpa. There is no Sarpa in which Rajju has to give Satta. Sarpa is not there to begin with. All that has to happen is Sarpa has to be created first, then Rajju has to give Satta also. So, both ways. अतः आत्मसत्ता स्फुरण अधिक सत्ता स्फुरण अभावात्, other than आत्मसत्ता स्फुरण, there is no separate सत्ता स्फुरणम existing at all. पार्थक अर्थ्याभावे, पृथक अर्थ अभाव, separate entity, separate object itself is not existing. अभावे सति न प्रतिबिंबः संक्रमो वा कस्यचित् क्वापि इति अभिप्रायः. न प्रतिबिंबः संक्रमो वा कस्यचित्, neither there is any प्रतिबिंब or संक्रमणम as such. Earlier you said there is pratibimba and sankrama of satta and sphuranam. Now you are saying it is not there. So what we mean is, it is not like how you are imagining that bimba is entering into pratibimba or fire is entering into iron ball. It is not like that. That's why that last pankti of the previous shloka which said sankramanam is nothing but a thing appearing as something else itself is giving existence to that new thing which is not at all there. That is the form of sankramanam. न प्रतिबिंबः संक्रमो वा कस्य चित् क्वापि अभिप्राय इति अभिप्रायः. क्वापि is क्व अपि. किम शब्द ओत, किम ओत, then kimot will become क्व. After that, what is that? Another sutra. Okay. Kvati. Kvati is the other sutra. Dvitiyam nirakaroti. Dvitiyam. What is Dvitiyam now? Dvitiyam is Dvitiya Vikalpa. Two Vikalpas were created in the first shloka of this current section. Two Vikalpas were created. First Vikalpa was whether the Satta and Sphuranam, Satta Sphuratte Bhaveshu Kuta Agatya, so from where have they come? न दृश्य धर्मौ किंतु द्रष्टृ धर्मौ इति. सो इफ दे आर, यदि दृश्येषु ते न स्तः कथम तर्हि तेषु उपलभ्येते. इफ दे आर नॉट बिलोंगिंग टू दृश्य, देन हाउ दे आर सीन इन दृश्य, एंड देन आर दे अपियरिंग लाइक दर्पणादौ. इव मुखादि दृश्येषु प्रतिबिंब भावम आचरतः, because you need मूर्त द्रव्य etc. Right? That is what he had said. So now, in the second asat kalpeshu bhaveshu, in that shloka, that where they have come from, and then do they have their own satta or sphuranam? So their own satta sphuranam is already negated. Further it is said now that swata satta sphuranam in padartha it is not there, but how it comes. See, in the previous one, tatra kim in the second shloka, second vartika, second line in tika, tatra kim bhaveshu पृथक दर्पणादयः पिंडादिवद विद्यमानेषु कथम संगते इति पृच्छसि, किंवा भावानामेव स्वतः सत्ता स्फुरण संभवे, किम आत्मसत्ता स्फुरण संगमेन इति तत्र आद्यं प्रत्याह. सो फर्स्ट वन was that do the padarthas, when their satta and sphuranam, where does it come from? So it is explained, it comes from Atma. Now second vikalpa is, do the padarthas have their own satta spurana, and if that is there, then why these Atma satta spuranam have to come? So now that part he is explaining. Dvitiyam nirakaroti. Jnanani bahurupani teshancha vishaya api ahankarenu sajyante सूत्रे मणिगणा इव ज्ञानानि बहुरूपाणि तेषांच विषया अपि अहंकारेण सज्यन्ते सूत्रे मणिगणा इव. ज्ञानानि बहुरूपाणि. Jnanam is of many variety, many types if you want to call. Tesham cha vishaya api bahavaha. They have many vishayas also. They all, the vishaya and the vishaya jnanam. Jnanani here is vishaya jnanani. Ahankare anusajyante. In ahankara, they are all connected. Anusajyante, grathyante. How? Sutre manigana iva. Like in a sutra, you have pearls or rudraksha beads, like that. All jnanam are tied to, all vishaya jnanam, they are tied to ahankara. So you have one aham vritti going through jnanam of vishaya, ghata, pata, pustakam, phalam, purusha, stri, vriksha, Ganga, Himalaya, ityadi. यानी बहुरूपाणि बहुप्रकाराणि ज्ञानानि. बहुरूपाणि means बहुप्रकाराणि ज्ञानानि of many types. तेषां ये विषयाः ते सर्वे अहंकारे गृह्यन्ते अनुसज्यन्ते. They all are connected to ahankara. What is ahankara? साभास अंतःकरण वृत्ति विशेषे. Ahankara is antakarana with abhasa, and vritti vishesha means one specific type of vritti is called ahankara. because all are antakaran vritti only, and all antakaran vrittis will be sabhasa vritti only. There is no antakarana without chidabhasa. So all vrittis will be sabhasa vritti. Ghatakar vritti will be sabhasa vritti. Patakar vritti will be sabhasa vritti. All vrittis are sabhasa vritti only. So sabhasa, antakarana vritti, all of them are there. But this one is vishesha. And what is vishesha? That other vrittis are constantly coming and going. If Ghata Jnanam is there, Ghatakar vritti is there. Then as soon as Pata Jnanam takes place, Ghatakar vritti is gone. Because another has come now. But Aham vritti, Ahankara remains. So Aham Ghatam Janami, Aham Patam Janami, Aham Phalam Khadami, Aham Vanam Gacchami. Aham will be anusyuta in this way. That's why ahankare anushajyante. Sabhasa antakarana vritti visheshe anushajyante grathyante sutre manigana iva iti yojana. They all are connected like in a sutra, maniganas are connected. तथा च सच्चिदात्मनि तादात्म्य अध्यास परिनिष्पन्न अंतःकरण व्याप्त्यैव विषय सत्ता स्फुरणे न स्वतः इति अभिप्रायः. तथा च एंड ऑल्सो सच्चिदात्मनि इन सच्चिदात्म ब्रह्म तादात्म्य अध्यास परिनिष्पन्न अंतःकरण व्याप्त्या एव विषय सत्ता स्फुरणे न स्वतः. सो हिज क्वेश्चन वाज, इज इट स्वतः? आंसर इज न स्वतः. With Satchidananda Atma, there is Tadatmya Adhyasa. So this mutual superimposition where Satchidatma appears as that Vishaya first. How? So he is explaining. Satchidatmani Tadatmya Adhyasa Parinishpanna Antakarana. Atma and Antakarana have Adhyasa. Then that Antakarana vritti becomes Vyapta of Vishaya. Vyaptyaiva Vishaya Satta Sphurane. So when Antakarana vritti becomes Ghatakara, what is happening is Ghata gets Satta also and Sphuranam also. When the Antakarana vritti becomes Shabda Jnanam, Sparsha Jnanam, Rupa Jnanam, so then those Shabda, Sparsha, Rupas, they get Satta and Sphuranam. Na Swataha. And Vritti Vyapti, so you already know the basic idea of Vritti Vyapti, that whatever is the object, like if the object is only Shabda, then Vritti Vyapti will be Vritti becoming Shabdakara. If the object is only Rasa, then Vritti Vyapti will be Rasakara. Tadakara Vritti will be there. Rasakara means it doesn't have any Akara. So what Akara it will get? Rasa is the Vishaya of that Vritti. That is called Vritti Vyapti. Rasa alone is the Vishaya. तादात्म्य अध्यास निष्पन्न अंतःकरण व्याप्त्यैव विषय सत्ता स्फुरणे न स्वतः इति अभिप्राय. You said earlier, you said other than Atma there is no such thing, like other than Bimba there is Darpana, other than fire there is iron ball. There is no such thing here. You just said in the previous shloka. And now you are saying Antakarana becoming that Vishayakara, and then its Satta Sphuranam is because of Antakarana Satta Sphuranam. What is this? So he says, Purvatra परमार्थ दृष्टिम आश्रित्य विषया एव न सन्ति. In the earlier sloka, we explained from Paramartha standpoint that there is no Vishaya different from Atma, Chaitanya. Nothing else is. So that is Paramartha Drishtim Ashritya from the absolute standpoint. Vishaya eva na santi. Yatra Atma Satta Spurana Sangama iti uktam. And therefore, this Atma Satta and Spurana, its Sangama means its association, where it can happen, there is nothing else. In this shloka, anena vyavahar drishtim ashritya. In this shloka, this statement what we are making is from vyavaharik standpoint, accepting that creation has already taken place. Vyavaharik satta means we are giving some reality to the vyavaharik jagat. Vyavahar drishtim ashritya sabhasa antakarana pranalikaya. Pranali, sabhas antakarana, the method or the practice of using this idea that antakarana is becoming vishayakara, pervading that object, and then entering the Chidabhasa, giving that vritti vyapti phala vyapti jnanam, and we get the knowledge of the Vishaya. This is from that standpoint. Vyavahar drishtim ashritya sabhasa antakarana pranalikaya Atma Satyadi Anugamam, Atma Satta and Spurana Anugama, entry, as if. Anugama means it is here, it is there in Antakarana. Antakarana is with Chidabhasa. Then, in Durdesha, there is some sound, Shabda is there. So what happens? Antakarana becomes Tadakara. Then, whole Antakarana goes there or only part of Antakarana will go there? Only part will go. So the Antakarana which remains with the Sthula Sharira Ityadi, that is called Pramata. And the part that goes there will be called Pramanam. In Siddhanta Bindu, elaborately this has come. And in Vedanta Paribhasha also. And then the object, Vishaya which is there, that is the Prameyam. So that one Antakarana Avachinna Chaitanya alone becomes Pramata. Antakarana Vritti Avachinna Chaitanya becomes Pramana. And Prameya Avachinna Chaitanya, which is nothing but this Antakarana Vritti Vyapta Avachinna Chaitanya. So when they both become one, that is called Prameya. So now you have Pramata, Pramana, Prameya. All three are nothing but Antakarana Avachinna Chaitanya alone. And that Antakarana Avachinna Chaitanya is Tadatmya Adhyasa between Antakarana and Satchidatma. So Antakarana itself is Mithya. Satchidatma alone first projects itself with Adhyasa as Antakarana. Then Chidabhasa is available. Then it further becomes Vishaya. So Aham Vritti is Prathama Adhyasa. This came in Vivek Chudamani. Prathamo Bhava Vikara Bhavati Ahankara. Something like that. In Vivek Chudamani it came. Or in Mandukya it is straightforward given. Jivam kalpayate purvam. Tato bhavan pruthak vidhan. Bahyan adhyatmikanshchaiva यथा दृष्टस्तथा स्मृतिः बाह्यान आध्यात्मिकांश्चैव यथा दृश्यस्तथा स्मृतिः, something like that. So, Jivatva is the first Kalpana. Then Tato Bhavan Prithak Vidan. Then all the Vishayas. Where are the Vishayas? Bahya and Adhyatmika. External Vishayas, internal Vishayas also. Means Jagrat or Swapna. Bahya and Adhyatmika. How? Whatever is your experience, based on that samskara, then accordingly recollection. Okay, so here further. So, Vyavaharik Drashtim Ashritya. What is the difference between Paramarthik, Vyavaharik and Pratibhasika? That which never gets negated is called Paramarthika. That which gets negated without Brahmajnanam is called Pratibhasika. That which gets negated without Brahmajnanam. And that which will get negated only by Brahmajnanam, then that is called Vyavaharika. So, in that there is these Sanskrit definitions are there. Brahmajnanetara badhyatvam pratibhasikam. Brahmajnanetara badhyatvam vyavaharikam. Trikala badhyatvam paramarthikam. In this way, Sattatrayam. So, through Vyavahar Drishti, this is explained. Atma Satyadi Anugamam Antarena na Bahya Vishayeshu Sattadihi Asti iti Uktam iti Vishesho Drashtavyaha. This is the Vishesh, means this is the distinction that you have to note. So, in Shastra, such statements will be there, sometimes it will be from Paramartha standpoint and sometimes it will be from Vyavahara standpoint. And we should know which standpoint, otherwise you will get confused. You said this. So, one Mahatma is there here. He always will have this confusion. Whenever we are talking Vyavaharika, he will say, oh, but you said Paramarthika is this. And whenever we talk of Paramarthika, then he will say, but what about Vyavaharika? So, Vidyarthi, the sadhaka should know that the standpoints are different and we know how to accommodate both. When Paramarthika Charcha is there, you should know this is what they are saying from absolute standpoint. When Vyavaharik Charcha is there, you should know what is being said. You don't get confused every time. Sometimes you get confused, that we can understand. Further, Tasmat यद्यधीन सत्ता स्फूर्तिमत् तस्मिन् परिकल्पितम्. Therefore, तस्मात् यद अधीनम, whatever is used as the support, adhina satta sphurtimat tat tasmin parikalpitam. All those things are parikalpita. So, yad adhina satta sphurtimat means whatever object has dependent existence and dependent knowledge. Dependent knowledge means dependent sphuranam, ability to reveal itself. If they are dependent, then to whatever thing to which they are dependent, in that they are kalpitam. Tasmin parikalpitam. So, in the previous shloka, what did he say? That the Vishayas, they are illumined by ahankara. All jnanams, they are there because of ahankara. They all are connected to ahankara. Therefore, all the Vishayas are parikalpita where? In ahankara. And ahankara itself is having dependent existence and dependent knowledge, dependent chaitanya. Therefore, ahankara is also parikalpita. Where? In Atma. So now with drishtanta he explains. Yatha jaladheen satta sphurti mad budbudadi jale kalpitam. Jala adheen satta sphurti mat budbudadi. The bubbles, etc., they all have dependent existence depending upon water, and they become known also when water is known. So we think budbuda is getting known. What is really getting known is jalam. Like when we see the clay pot, so what is being known? We say, I know pot. It is not pot. You are knowing the mrittika in a vishesha nama rupa. So in the same way, what we are really getting to know is tadavachinna chaitanya. बुद्बुदादि जले कल्पितम तथा इमे भावाः सच्चिदात्म अधीन सत्ता स्फूर्तिकाः. In the same way, all these bhavaha, they are Satchidatma Adhina Satta Sphurtikaha. They all are Satchidatma Adhina Satta Sphurtikaha. So, Satchidatma Adhine Satta Sphurtihi Yesham Bhavanam Te Satchidatma Adhina Satta Sphurtikaha Padarthaha. तस्मिन् परिकल्पिता. दे आर कल्पित इन आत्मा इति सिद्धम. सच्चिदात्मनोः तत्वं पदार्थयोः अद्वितीयं परमार्थम इति उपसंहरति. एंड देयरफॉर व्हाट इज सिद्धम? सच्चिदात्मनोः तत्वं पदार्थयोः अद्वितीयत्वं. सच्चिदात्मा which is the सच्चिदात्मा of tat and tvam. Tat, because earlier he said Tatpada is also Satchidatma, Tvam is also Satchidatma. Tayoho Advitiyatvam. They both are not two, they are only one. This is Paramartham iti upasamharati. That is being concluded. Now before we proceed, so yesterday or day before I think I mentioned that generally we have Tvam Pada in this tat and tvam. So we say tvam pada is chaitanya pradhana and tat pada is satta pradhana. In this way the analysis is done, sat and chit. And then Shastra says tat tvamasi, tvam sakshi swarupa chaitanyam, tat satta jagad adhishthanam asti. Asi means you are that sakshi non-different from Jagat Adhishthanam. So, Sakshi Drashta is the Adhishthanam, substratum of this creation. Means you are appearing as creation. You, the Sakshi, is appearing as Srishti. This is how it... Please explain. Here what he has explained is both are Satchit, because see, it is not that one is Sat and other is Chit different. What is Sat? Sattaya hi Chit, Chittaya hi Aham. So Sat itself is Chit, but in recognizing, when we are doing Vichara, in Tvam-pada, Chaitanya comes naturally, because I recognize myself as Jnana Swarupa. Aham, 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 this Phuranam is there all the time. You cannot stop. And the Jagat is, in particular Jada Padarthas, they are not recognized as Jnanam. They are recognized as Satta, existence. Therefore, Sat is Anusyuta in all of them. But after we study little bit for some time, then we realize Satta and Chaitanya are there in both. But when only Chaitanya aspect is repeatedly highlighted, then what I understand is that there is no separate Satta. In other words, that other than me, the Atma, there is nothing. I should not feel this way that I am one Drashta, Jagat has its own Satta, and everybody is one Drashta. In this way, I should not think. Because of my Satta, Jagat has Satta. Because of my Spuranam, Jagat has Spuranam. That I am Atma. So in this Vichara, the Jagat as Swapna or Jagat has dependent reality on me, the Atma. This thinking will become more evident. Jagat has dependent reality and it is depending upon me, the Atma. And this is what we have to emphasize. So, did you understand what the difference is? What I was trying to explain was that even if in the beginning they use two different terminologies, one is Sat, another is Chit, the emphasis is to show that there is no separate Satta other than me. Therefore, the whole Brahmanda is my projection. Aham vrikshasya reriva कीर्ति पृष्ठं गिरेरिव ऊर्ध्वपवित्रो वाजिनीव स्वमृतमस्मि द्रविणगं सवर्चसं सुमेधामृतोक्षितः इति त्रिशंकोर्वेदानुवचनं. What is Vedanuvacanam? Veda Anuvacanam. Veda means Jnanam. Bodha. After knowledge, he expressed that knowledge. Veda here is not Vedas. Veda means Jnanam, Kriya. Means here Kriya Pada. So, Veda Anuvachanam. Veda Anantaram Anuvachanam. After knowledge, Trishanku Rishi said this, that I am the Reriva, means Preraita. I am the prompter of this tree of samsara. I am the support. And my Kirtihi is like on the top of the mountain. Kirtihi Prishtham Gireriva. Like a Giri mountain. So this Trishanku Rishi's Vachanam is actually Vachanam of every enlightened person who has understood this. Iti Trishankor Vedanu, you can say Iti Mama Vedanu Vachanam. That is my Vachanam after I understood this. That I am Urdhva Pavitro Vajiniva, like the sun. I am up above everything. Swamritaha, Amrita Swarupa I am. And because of me alone, all this is appearing. Satta and Spuranam. This is Trishankor Vedanuvachanam. That's why these mantras have to be memorized, so that at least you know later what is said here. See now, Prakasha Bhinname Vaitat Vishwam Sarvasya Bhasate Lahari Budbudadina न पृथक सलिलान न पृथक स्थिति प्रकाशा भिन्नमेवैत विश्वं सर्वस्य भासते लहरी बुद्बुदादीनां सलिलान. Just as Lahari Budbud Adinam. So the Lahari means small waves. Lahar can be big waves. Lahari phrase is used. So all whatever that we see, the high waves, breakers, whatever they call, and bubbles and froth, etc. Salilan na prithak sthitihi. They are not different from water. In the same way, प्रकाश अभिन्नम एव एतद् विश्वम सर्वस्य भासते. सर्वस्य प्राणिमात्रस्य टीका सर्वस्य व्यवहर्तुः प्राणिमात्रस्य. So the entire jagat of the person who is there in the vyavahara transaction, for each being, whatever jagat they experience, it is not different from prakasha. Prakasha abhinnam eva etad vishwam. Prakash means Chaitanya. Chaitanya alone is appearing as the world for all. Only thing is we don't know. Just as when we are experiencing Mrittika, we think there is Ghata, where is Mrittika? Like that we are experiencing Chaitanya, means our own self. And we wonder, what am I experiencing? These different things, people, etc. Or in Swapna, I attain my own Swarupa, Brahma, not in Swapna, in Sushupti. Sata Somya Tada Sampanno Bhavati Swam Apito Bhavati. So he enters in one's own Swarupa, but he doesn't know. Then when he wakes up, then again he starts looking for moksha, ananda, ityadi. So the jagat is not different from Atma. Sarvasya vyavahartuhu pranimatrasya vishwam prakasha bhinnam avabhasate. विषय स्फूर्ति ही आत्मधर्म एव. विषय स्फूर्ति इज आत्मधर्म, न विषय धर्म, but it is not विषय धर्म. इति एतद् उपपादयति. This is said. जानामीत्येव यज्ञानं भावानाविश्य वर्तते. ज्ञातं मयेति तत्पश्चात् विश्राम्यत्यन्तरात्मनि. जानामीत्येव यज्ञानं भावानाविश्य वर्तते. ज्ञातं मयेति तत्पश्चात् विश्राम्यत्यन्तरात्मनि. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.